Hello friends, welcome back to our channel.
Recently, I have been called for an interview. In the technical round of the interview process, I have been asked to solve a task in Excel. The task is that I have to fill the wage of the employee, but the condition is if it is Sunday the wage is 500 and otherwise it is 400. So I just take 1 minute to solve it and just applied one formula beside the cell where the first date is written. The formula is equals text, then first bracket open and then select the first date which is in E4 cell, then put a comma and then within double inverted comma write DDDD and then bracket close and press enter. Then simply drag to hold range and all the day will be appear. Now to find the wages, simply use if function. Simply write equals if bracket open, now selected the first day equal Sunday and put a comma and then in double inverted comma write 500. And now we have to put a comma and define the false statement, and for that we have to write 400 in double inverted comma, then close the first bracket and press enter. The result is appeared, and now just drag it to all the cells for result.
Thank you for watching. For more upcoming videos and informative videos, please do like, share and subscribe our channel.